I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at RealMoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV.
Today, let's look at Deckers, Yahoo, and U.S. Steel. Cramer was talking to the CEO of Deckers last night on Mad Money, and look, he's pretty bullish on the stock. I can see why. You look here at the daily chart, looks pretty choppy, right? If we just kind of squint our eyes and draw the line, it's the Fitzpatrick squint method, draw the line generally speaking among the lows. There we go. The highs right about there. So where's the stock here? Like right in the middle. But the key thing is this is in a series of higher lows and higher highs. You can really see it in the weekly chart. Okay, essentially bouncing right off of support, right off of this prior resistance, current support. So the deal is you want to own this stock. Is this an ideal time to buy the stock? Well, no, the ideal time to buy the stock would have been right back here a couple years ago. We can't do that, so we have to, dance with the one that's here. So what do? I say if you want to get long this stock, take a little bit here at 108. That's fine. But keep some powder dry, because it's a funny thing about these ups and downs, the zig, the zag. We're going to get a zig pretty soon. If you can take some more stock around $100, I think that's how you get into Deckers on a full position. Okay, now what about Yahoo? All right, there's some bullishness on Yahoo out there. Apparently, might be bought. Look, here's a monthly chart. You know now why I haven't really traded Yahoo this century. It's just not really my deal. But somebody is, because you can look and see how the stock is done here. I mean, it's basically come up, 50% or so since the August low. Is this a stock that you really want to be buying? Right here, right now, let's just look at it in terms of the moving averages. 50-day and 200-day moving averages are really converging. Now, what does that mean? Frankly, it means to me that you have no edge one way or another. Be neither bull nor bear on this one. It's just trending sideways. If you're big on the buyout offer, great. That's where the stock's trading right now. Just remember that there's resistance right up here. Any move above there, absent some kind of buyout offer, and the stock's probably going to just move back down. Okay, last but not least, U.S. Steel. Now, the silver bullet has finally been found. Yesterday, the central banks, the IMF, you and me, because it's ultimately our tax dollars, I don't give a rip what they say, we've all solved the Europe crisis, so boy, that was a close call. So what's happening? Now the market's starting to price in some inflation. They're bullish on U.S. Steel over on Fast Money. I'm looking at this, and you can't kind of help but be bullish on it. Just look at what's happening here. Bam, bam, and bam. So what are we going to do? We got left shoulder, cone head, right shoulder. Basically right about here is an inverse head and shoulders, and it's tilted the right way, meaning the right shoulder's lower than the left, meaning you can get in earlier. So what are you going to do with U.S. Steel? I think it's okay to buy some right now. Know, though, that it's right up at resistance, which means that last couple times it's been up here, it's been sold. That was different. That's when Europe still had a problem. Now, problem solved. Now we can move on. So we could get a little selling pressure right now. If so, the better time to be buying it is right down close to the 50-day moving average. But again, I think this is a pretty solid reversal in this stock. I think you're still early in it, so feel free to take some now. Just again, like I mentioned with Decker, keep some powder dry, because if the stock pulls back, then you can lower your cost basis and take some more. Okay, that's it for today. Look, I need you to get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe so you can get my articles. They're called FitzBits, 5 charts a day, designed to help you make some real money, right? Also, a lot of folks signed up for my comprehensive short selling workshop that's actually taking place this Saturday. It's an online course. I want to thank you for that. It's going to be a ton of fun. You can get more details at stockmarketmentor.com. I'm pretty sure the class is already full, but you can go over there for more details. Also, while you're over there, just sign up for my chart of the day. You can get updates every day on charts. in video format. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.